Question number 4, it is given that we have to give the expressions for the following cases. 7 added to P. 7 में P add हुआ, यानी कि 7 is added to P. P में आपने 7 को add किया. When you speak it in Hindi, so the answer will become, what will be the answer? Yes, Charvi, your answer is right. That is P plus 7. P plus 7 is the correct answer. Yes, right answer Chehak Kanya. So you will be writing 7 added to P. That means P plus 7. Next, B part is 7 subtracted from P. 7 में from लिखा है तो P पहले आएगा. Okay? It's written from. So P will come in front. So you will be writing P minus 7. 7 subtracted from P. P में से 7 subtract किए गए. So P minus 7 will be the answer. P minus 7, Charvi, Anya, your answers are right. P minus 7. P multiplied by 7. P multiplied by 7. Go answers. P multiplied by 7 means 7P, not P7. It will be 7P. First constant will come, number will come, then your alphabet will come. 7 multiply P or 7P. That means the correct answer. P7 is not the right answer. पहले number आएगा, then alphabet. P divided by 7. P divided by 7. P upon 7. P upon 7, not 7 upon P. P upon 7 is correct answer. हाँ. P upon 7. Yes. 7 subtracted from minus M. 7 is subtracted from minus M. So minus M will come in front. Minus M minus 7. Yes, Anya, your answer is correct. Charvi, yes, your answer is correct. Minus M minus 7. 7 subtracted from minus M. That's right. Minus P multiplied by 5. माइनस P को आपने 5 से मल्टीप्लाई किया तो माइनस 5P. राइट आंसर अन्य. चारवी, minus 5P is the right answer. Minus P divided by 5. माइनस P को आपने 5 से डिवाइड किया. You have divided minus 5 by P. So yes, minus P divided by 5. That's right. Minus P divided by 5. P multiplied by minus 5. P को आपने minus 5 से multiply किया. So minus 5P. Right, आराध्या? Minus 5P is your right answer. P पहले आएगा subtract करने में. जब from आ जाता है तो P पहले आ जाता है, minus 7 बाद में आएगा. Minus का sign. So P minus 7 will be your answer in B part. Got it, children? In question number 5, you have to give the expressions in the following cases. Okay, you have to just do the opposite of it. 11 added to 2m. That means 2m is added to 11. 2m plus 11. 11 add हुआ 2m में. So you will be writing 2m plus 11 here. Okay. 11 subtracted from 2m. 11 में 2m subtract हुआ. Yes, Chehak, you are right. 2m minus 11. That's right. 2m minus 11. 5 times y. 5 times y, times word means multiply. Here the word times is given. Times means multiply. 5y to which 3 is added. 5y में 3 add हुआ. You have to see the English what is given here. 5y में 3 add हुआ. So it will be 5y plus 3. Okay. Next is 5 times y from which 3 is subtracted. That means 5y में से 3 आपने subtract किया. You have subtracted it. Yes, right answer चहक चारवी 5y minus 3. That's right. 5y minus 3 is the correct answer. Y is multiplied by minus 8. You can see the screen like this. दिख रहा है? Y is multiplied by minus 8. Y को हमने minus 8 से multiply किया. So minus 8 will come in front. Number will come first and alphabet will come afterwards. So minus 8y will be the answer. Minus 8y. पहले नंबर आएगा बाद में अल्फाबेट आएगा when you are multiplying any number. Okay, so y is multiplied by minus 8, so minus 8y is the correct answer. Yes, चहक चारवी, your answers are right. Y is multiplied by minus 8 and then 5 is added to the result. Y is, you have multiplied y with minus 8 then added 5. Yes, minus 8y plus 11. Right answer 5. Minus 8y plus 5 is the correct answer of F part. 5, beta 5, not 11. Yes, minus 8y plus 5. Y is multiplied by 5. Here I have multiplied 5 and the result is subtracted from 16. अब 16 में से आपने subtract करना है. It's from written. So 16 minus 5y it will come. Okay. 16 minus 5y because from is written. So when from word is written, always understand the number which is in front of from will come in starting. ठीक है? 16 minus 5y. Y is multiplied by minus 5 and the result is added to 16. You have multiplied y with minus 5 and the answer which is coming, you have added 16 to it. Yes, minus 5y plus 16. That's right answer. Minus 5y plus 16. That's correct. Absolutely right. Kanishka, Charvi, Chehak. Yes, right answers. Minus 5y plus 16. Saksham, right answer. That's correct. Aradhya, your answer is also right. In question number 6, you have to form the expressions using T and 4. Use not more than one number operation. Every expression must have T in it. आपको numbers expressions बनाने हैं जिसमें you have to use T over there and 4 and you have to use the operations. Operations means plus, minus, multiply, divide. These are called operations. Okay, arithmetic operations. So you will be writing T and 4. Add it in between. What will be the sign? Yes, Kanishka, right. So it will become T plus 4, T minus 4, 4T, T divided by 4, 4 upon T, 4 minus T, 4 plus T. You can make any operations and you can, it all of them are having T in it. We have to write T also in each and every expression. So we can write it like this. Yes. Form expression using y, 2 and 7. Now 3 numbers are given there. We have to use y in each and every expression and 2 number operations होने चाहिए. Use only 2 number operations. These two. So it will be 2y plus 7, 2y minus 7, 7y plus 2, 7y minus 2, and so on. You can make the expressions with these. Yes, right, Charvi. Yes, Chehek, right answer. 2y plus 7, 7y plus 2. Yes, right. No, you have to use 2 also. 2y divided by 7 can be possible. No, no, no. 7 minus 2 will not come in the base. 7y minus 2. No, Chehek. 7y divided by 2 can be possible. 2y upon 7 can be possible. Yes, y minus 7 by 2, that can be possible. That's correct.